Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix Cronos the New Dawn game crashing at a startup, not launching, won't launch, freezing, not loading, stuck on loading screen or black screen problem on PS5. So without wasting any time, let's follow the fixes. The first fix is to restart your PS5. Press and hold power button on the console and select power off, unplug all the wires. Wait for a few seconds and then press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires and turn on your PlayStation and then check problem solved or not. Fix 2 is to log out and log in. Log out from your PlayStation Network account, go to settings, users and account, other, sign out. Wait for a few minutes and then log in back. If you have any other secondary account, then log in with that and then check if that works or not. Third solution is to switch internet connection. First of all, use Ethernet cable to access internet on PS5 and then launch the game and check. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, then connect to mobile data via hotspot, or if possible, then you can also connect to other Wi-Fi network and check. You can also restart your modem or Wi-Fi router and then launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. Go to PS5 settings network. Go to settings, set up internet connection, press the options button. In Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz. See which one work for you. Fifth solution is to rebuild database on PS5. Power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from the wall socket. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sounds. Then release the button. Your console will boot into safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS button. Use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database OK. Now launch Cronos the New Dawn game and check if the problem is fixed or not. Sixth solution is to restore license. On your PS5, go to settings, click on users and accounts, scroll down and go to other and go to restore license. Select Cronos the New Dawn game and then select restore. Select yes to confirm. After this, check problem solved or not. Seventh solution is to disable enable HDCP. Go to PS5 settings, select system and then choose HDMI tab. Turn off enable HDCP and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time turn on enable HDCP and then launch the game and check. Eighth solution is to delete game data and cache. Please make sure to back up the saved data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. So go to settings, save data and game/app settings. Select save data PS5 and navigate to console storage, delete. Choose Cronos the New Dawn game, then select delete OK. Now restart your PS5 and then try again. Ninth solution is to change DNS settings manually. Go to PlayStation settings, network settings, set up internet connection. On your internet, press start, advanced settings, DNS settings. Change DNS settings from automatic to manual. In primary DNS enter 8888 and in secondary DNS type 8844 and hit OK. Now launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time in primary DNS enter 1111 and in secondary DNS enter 1001 and hit OK. Now relaunch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Last solution is to reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. If you are using a SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the Cronos the New Dawn game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and check if that helps or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you can fix the Cronos the New Dawn game crashes at a startup, not launching or won't launch, freezing, not loading or stuck on loading screen or black screen issue on PS5 console. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.